Okay guys, sa ating third set of exercise. So una, taas, pababa, pababa. So ma-reach natin yung 100 push-up and 100 sit-ups. So 10 na lang kukunin natin, so i-prater natin at saka iayos. So dalawang push-up, 10 kunin natin. So iano natin ayusin. Then lahat naman inaayos naman natin. Dito yon sa upper body. Then yung sa sit-up naman yung tiyan natin. Okay? Kung may tatanong sa akin, ilang taon na po is I'm 46 years old. Okay. Base na lang ang pagitan. I'm 46 years old. Then, ano ba? So yun, continuation natin yung third sets of exercise. 10 lang kunin ko para magiging 25 push-up and 100 push-up and 100 sit-ups. Okay? Diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, 10, so 100, then sit-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 5 na lang, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, thank you. Done. 100 push-up and 100 sit-ups. Thank you.